All right, we saved the easiest for the last. That's painting practice number 4. Painting practice number 4, the skill is even layering. Paint the cloud shape using multiple thin layers of one color so that no white shows through and the other color is even. It also says down here no brush strokes. I don't want to see the direction of your lines. I want it to all be smooth, kind of like you would do painting the bedroom, your bedroom wall or a wall on a... Now, in an effort, again, to save paint, I have a lot of this green left. So I'm going to use the green on my cloud, and again, I'm going to try to stay in the lines, and I'm going to go different directions with my brush, and I don't want any white showing. Some colors you'll need to do 2 layers on the cloud to give it that perfect opaque look where you don't see any paper through it. In this one, I recommend that you actually pull the brush right alongside the line and then turn the brush to avoid going over the lines. And then once you have the lines done, you can move faster in the middle. Try not to have drips or unnecessary amounts of paint. What happens if you do mess up? What I'd recommend is that you wait for it to dry and then next class come back with the white paint and just touch it up where it went out of the line. We can't make mistakes and just leave them on our mural. We have to think of ways to problem solve and make them better. So now number 4 is pretty much done. I do see a teeny bit of white right here. I'm going to try to cover that up. And when it dries, I'm going to see if you can see through any places, and I'll do a second layer. Otherwise, this one's good to go. Now, since I'm shooting for a 4, I'm going to go back and show you just how I can stay in the lines. Everybody makes mistakes, so now this is dry, this little part. I'm taking a teeny bit of white paint on my brush, and I'm just going to erase the part that went outside the line. Special shout out to my daughter Lucia, who's been making the sound effects for these videos. Can you say hi, Lucia?
Hi.
And finally, don't forget to grade yourself on the rubric. Don't hand it in yet if you're going to get a 2 or a 1. Finish it and finish it well so you can get a 3 or a 4 on this. Circle what you think you earned. Make sure your name is on it. If it's still wet, it goes on the drying rack. If it's dry, put it in my box for grading.